e did yakwa abato ngumanum se beye na December bosome ne de toso nso abato agana ma de hye ye bekwa akoto santre wando godogo la adwa mempra koso Miguel yakwa akoto no omsusu betimi yakwa akoto bi wo asoso no bibi nti wanti manchro wudi no omo echese ekwano abia ma osusu betimi akono akwa akochro wudi na sade nchro we no a ahya ne munsam no akwa akwa ebebrebe MPP de bo adum na NDC so de bo adan a yese munsam ne de ebebrebe na ansa na abato komesa ne mpenfo be hya se atwero di no na de ka babonte so mumfidie bi ayira e ma kese jegu omu chem de nyasam ketoa ekuo bi afro say election watch for e de betu gya so mo de wo ma kwa akotete say electoral commission mpenfo di mfidie na kwa akote ba bi a wo de twira manfo din e de akwakogu abato ongumanimo enam so ma abato commission mpenfo e kire say sansam no a sa election watch ko ne keka no e yerodo yada sam no kra bi anim bosiremu ka anim guasesem akwa e no mo ka edigu wo mo so no yewra Samuel Tete eye penimpa be de kira woda abato komisan no nsamtwefo nhye mo ye ne nchechimu a wode ma yen enie
allegation made by a group calling itself Election Watch. The attention of the commission has been drawn to a press conference organized by a group called Election Watch Ghana, during which one Mark Ewuzi alleged that the Electoral Commission was using stolen biometric voter registration kits to register people secretly. The Commission urges the public to disregard these baseless and unfounded allegations as they are without merit. 1. The Commission has never reported that biometric voter registration kits have been stolen. The Commission reported to the security agencies that 5 laptops were missing. The Commission informed all stakeholders about the missing laptops. Describing the missing laptops as BVRs is a deliberate attempt by certain groups to deceive the public in order to sustain their unfounded allegations. 2. As the Commission has previously explained, a biometric voter registration kit comprises several essential components.
Observe way your penny Samuel Tete ne kenan so anu ache na otian semtwefo na so se Electoral Commission o madwuma eni bia o pusiga mansini ne mum wo mo ede o maso atoto forma akwa akote se dipa bedu nso 17 bia wo mo ekuta eye Ghana card ya enye papa wo boa pa afa nkuntina se atwero mudin akwa abato ngumanim sa owura no so eneyi abato commission for eyinadi
disturbing trend that has to do with the registration of minors, foreigners, and persons who are suspected not to reside in the areas where they have registered. So the challenge cases, the total number of challenge cases are as follows. Greater Accra, we have a total of 1,348. That one also representing 1.81%. Northeast, 19, representing 0.13%. Upper East, 190, representing 0.94%. Northern, 478, representing 1.00%. Bono, 191, representing 0.91%. And Bono East, 296, representing 1.57%.
Abzanfonti weye yera Samuel Tete weye penimpa be de kira wada abato komisan atna ye no ano ye twaso na ye dem okoma mpani da John Dramani Mahama na atna ye papa isoso no e de atugya seso don for ye na dom na wasabi de o mayi so se mampede biewa ade obeye pa e kata sese girim de kankan ne proya eku o mayi na ebo mayi fom no eno ene ade obeye ho adwuma na wadi sunkunim o de sansa mi tugya na nyamesom feku ahodo bi akọ no mo akọ akosra no
affects all of us. It's the issue of corruption. Our performance on the corruption index continues to deteriorate. Corruption has become normal, and people who are engaged in corruption seems to have the support and protection of the people in authority. And so as a result of that, the impacts that many cases of financial malfeasance, stealing, cost inflation, sole source contracts, and projects that are funded but never completed are becoming more the norm than the exemption. Recently, the MPs raised the issue of the Palugu multipurpose dam, which was supposed to be an almost $1 billion investment. Contract was awarded, $12 million was paid to the contractor for absolutely no work done. There are many cases that I could cite, SML, there's so many of them, but I guess if I wanted to go through all of them, we will not leave here.
Abzafonti weye ayamampene dada John Dramani Mahamani yetene ke wone DNDC amanyuku nanim ede wono akọ afi abato no yede mo ekomampene na nadu danko akufado akache na nano juada anadwo desium na mampene na nadu danko akufado ya mamre ne amane a na so afo a parliament ji wo mutu mu no ohwemo musaya sisi wo mo ekwakoye adwuma hono na mampene e kire se na adwuma wa yese mampene mfie benso ene ye kire ne yede o man ne ehye ne nsa no obeka ne se nani aso na bema beye bi wa ma meye ni nyina na so dia waye de obeka se waye bia ne sa eba ngomasue mu a he free SHS da nchene a esuku adan a wabragu o mayi mu no enya asem ketwa okọ apomde mu susu a ayasabia hodo a wo sisie ede de wate ne nsa de free ho no empimanim ene ba na kwan susu a waye bi pa mampeni na nado danko akufado ne nsem eni.
In all modesty, I'm exceedingly proud of my record in office and the considerable achievements that have been recorded in all sectors of national life these last 7.5 years, one or two of which have been very difficult as a result of global developments. Whether it is in the management of the national economy, in education, healthcare, roads, railways, digitalization, infrastructural development, agricultural and industrial transformation, the protection of Ghana's territorial integrity and security, the fight against corruption, the battle against environmental degradation, the response to the COVID-19 pandemic, entrenching the tenets of good governance and the rule of law, contributing to the attainment of regional and continental integration and unity, being at the forefront of the growing demand for the reform of global governance institutions, or in advocating respect for international law and multilateralism. The record is there for all to see, and I believe it is
Abuzan for remeda ni ranwa na senu mampeni na nadu danko akufado ni yete ne nkenya wo bono ho abaso no se waye bi pa be ma be ye bi wa ma meye ni nyina afi yede mo ekoku abetifi abaton pesu asomra se begeni era Brian champion so atena ye o se ne nua Samuel okujeto ablakwa aso oboa pa na opese ugunani mase ese ni din e ma bi eka ne nyuma nyina betodwa se era Samuel okujeto ablakwa mra se begeni a o mra se begefie ma de se one of to abaton pesu aso ekeka se senate fort nto mo hotels bia o ma enyo bia nto amane se yewra Brian champion no makwakoto hotels na dia mano no no so fi se kwane a yewra Brian champion fa so woni ne Rock City hotels koto sa hotels no enche ya awosem fisimu ekoso na yewra Brian champion eyi ano se kwan wo fa so ene ntutu ampanifo di egu akwamu nam so man na setimika sa hotels no we are singing na ehese edawumanim nti ene wanwa se di nua Samuel okujeto ablaka be fa sa kwan we so abegu nanim asesa.
We have succeeded in pooling the data of all 275 members of parliament who own shares in companies in Ghana. And they are way more than the 47 that you are talking about. I'm talking about those who have certificates. Because the issue is about it's not about beneficial owner or shareholder. Beneficial owner simply means shareholder. Owning shares in multimedia, Rock City, MTN, Unilever, Funmail. If you own shares in this company, you don't go to to Speaker for permission to own shares in this company. If you are a non-executive director of a company, you don't go to the Speaker to seek permission to be able to do that. In the case of Rock City, I am a shareholder, 100% shareholder, and I was shareholder of this company before I became minister. And in Ghana, those who know Rock City knows that it belongs to Brian Champon. And
Abzanfonti we ye Brian Champon Rasibi Jeni or Rasibi Jefima this year walk over Tifia Baton Pesia so no akronwa and associate minister of Ghana you fudie and ye queer your and some yet more a comrasibi Jefim na MPP Rasibi Jafon HSN Sembia NDC for Ekeka Sas MPP for Boapa and no more Delta Force for and MPP Fuso Jesse Edo Mukura Prism and prisons and fire service and immigration no NPP Mraswija phone chese no kribie nim na no dwada ne betuja send this Mraswija phone nyina dwala se sisiasa aban ne nam ntrekese ani sumase bim esesa nipa bi de omukura police nim se beye no omodo omobeye ne ma omope ewo elections nim eno na Mraswija ni owo Mraswija fima this year wasokwa abaton pesia so mama Patricia PJ awon fe Patricia Mpahima edi edom kese nanim eyi ano a chese sansem no kribia enim se MPP for fan trekese eni sumase chefu so jesia omo MPP amanyu kunum ne Delta Force for edomu kura police adwumanim Abzafone ki ehwese ye mame Patricia PJ Mrasebe Jeni o Mrasebe Jefiem this year wasokwa abaton pesia so a eneyi edom kese wo Mrasebe Jefiem wono ene ye penimpa be de kira odano ensemtwefo nhie mu a odi ne nuanom MPC nim ema omo eye ye ni be fa ne ne bi ede amamo nenso ayeran sesem yegusu atoto yensaka ye de ebema mo ye to aso de yakoye nim abeto dwase tanka drivers ya wo twi petru wo twi from Ajawes Aboaga se de call emiami ahodo ma Ghana ma de sie nye bito no sisi abusi wo ko strike wo so ma ketua nye enso akohoma ejisi wo do munkuku no mo keka nyina gufom a ifri anu abesi ne wo titifie di wo yerenom aduane na opani eye Safiu Mohammed na ye chairman eda eye Ghana Gas Tanker Drivers Association ano woni edi nkomo echechero mo nsemu se de kire ye
say your condition of service. Ya can't want some from 2017. Ninya anuye papa biya. I'm a president and kasa afra yen tie ya no asem. Na oyi mpanyimfu bi se omundi ye nim nanka omonka ya asem mbaye. Ensanka ye pe. Mpanyimfu ye ntima amwaye. Akosa 2019 president safra ye bi sa di ho dwuma emaye. The same thing e de bepemunde. Na honorable Mustafa Hamid na obaya obeso mu se ye pe sam le enye se tanga driver be ye dwuma na oni pe. Nti obeye pay my enti omu creative pool bi sa pool no na sisi a eba betua drivers ka enti nyane stakeholders a ye kwotena afi meet 6 months ye nyina ya sensan bibi awie ya yen kwadan sorry a ewen si se omu nti ase emma pay no emma so enti omu aka se nim kwan omu bafa so omu betua ye ka ebi kan dia ma omu so omu ntia ye ka na omu enti ye si anso ye si ya je se ye ndie mu ma omu omu ntia ye ka sa na tie dia omu ma MPA ntia ye ka se de be ya dia ho so be ba dia ye omu adwuma mo MPA Special Petroleum Authority. Mustafa Hamid Dano, Dr. Mustafa Hamid Dano. Nti ono na efre Petrol Tanker Union, ofre AONC, ofre ONC, ofre Minister of Energy, Minister of Labor, and ofre boss. Any ehun ke kahun na ka ho mo MPF wona ka ho. Any tena se ye share sa. Na me ka sika na e wo so mu tua ma ye na e sika fia bi o.
Abzanfonti we ye Safiu Mohammed on the president and answer chairman da Ghana Gas Tanker Drivers Association kuno ano afeye mfamo enkokwa menkromesi aponimum na efutu akwama ye mane ye nuanom no a omo esua engineering no efutu akodi ama omo so omo adesua no omo sua no omo emma so mramfa so emma yen oman no sense be so makwa kusua na egugu omo tim achiu na jese omo apo watchre exams na watwa wie no ni nyina ayira frani tiri mu a wo so ye engineer na nso engineer no o tikem na se bia udu so amrana about na ka ne gina na wo be frame master kwaku o so amazing so ono na wansi kwa me nkroma so apomo no mo ene wa mesu engineering no wo ma ye ka ma wa bra bia battery no battery ne keke ene se bia wusi from no ara ka ne beje so tanwe no asa ede wakwa kodu afutuo we kwa wa bra na omo edi dwumadi kese bi wakwa menkromansu apo no mo ma opani echampon Desmond Techi ekasa wase de afutuo ekoma engineers nyina se engineering no makwa akosua no omo fan solve your mining problems since some be kwa threat na office ya ombe miemia tai ase kwabrane bi a okwohye ne ho akomfort ne hwini ni tirim na sa mi engineer eso na mfaso bi amfiri Sompa afutuo
je ho be hia se mabe president no na o se yeti club bia ebeboa ama the issue of classroom no ibetimi so enya eho experience send if ya se na se ko dwama so a yetima boa ama ndwuma ewo Ghana hase so etimi etumpon na de metima ka na yese engineering about problem solving say or how be a ye ho no ibetimi esiamo intino India so dane de nyina adechi adesa no na India so doso de ene ebia asumesi oyusu ye de solve problem bi no ene so yusu a intimi enye adwuma intina e wose dane da wose area ho na yesu ade enunti na University Mechanical Engineering Association ya set up a club we ya dane de nyina no ya ekoso India esesa we ase no ibetimi update ya ho na yetimi meet standard no
Fonti we ayo penny Desmond Techi champion na yete ne nkere no akire guest speaker ko dwumadi na se ma me charity susu no e de afutu se to aso
meka asemwe efise empren bebre no yakọ school na ewie na won se companies fa nipa no na ye fa mema bebre ma bebre enti ase although say SDG goals no almost say gender equality which is the goal 5. Gender equality they say number ye fam man ye fa mema no so the same number but no crane say what's me issue ama obetumi add value to the company anytime bia wo your buy ye be foul bamba bebre na e wo mu chimi se so mu kire o mu body e kire o mu nufu dane o mu kire o mu to a ene betumi afa o mu na so se wo ye fa wa e ba integrity a ye mfa wo nka ho oba ye se oba ye de ketesia
tieno no na yede afutu mamu no nenu akire omunuanom students ni bia sa dwume de omokọ ase bie de omusua de firi mu sei na omoka de efa ho
because na buy na ko do machine na be say buy na the uncertainty bi ho man say dan tia se papa na ye colleagues ni wona obani di form buy no ma chechi ma ya tinema bia se be na ma ehu se nyema omode ba no be boy en abo babo man Ghana kudu ka meka say me de pede me be funi de me tu on for say to de bi o deni nyina omomra because be boy na bo man Ghana because e bia you say no man Ghana my do yeah as engineers and engineering students you see them say am meti am masam na bi say am meti na bi ase e be kan say Ghana no kra na school na e ba no omo nkyere efe
Abzianti we ayem ye man ye nuanom nkuma no musia engineering na wo kwa menkromansu apom mo ko a omo atie no mo de afutu ma wo mo na motibie no yede kase na kwakwie e wo naka National Council for Curriculum Assessment wo mo edidwuma emene omo de bibia efre say teachers manual aba ebebo ma chechefo mo kira de omo ade kire wo ma de suam ene omo enchechire mu no etimi akoyi ede ama wunum na Director General oda eye naka no Professor Edward Apia echechire mu say sa teachers manual we de ewumu ene mfaso a ene nsunsanso ebinya wo mai ngomasua wo no Prof echechire mu say kire
kuni say because you say e be chance na manfo atumi anya sa competence na develop test week and nti yenso so ntwen ma time no enduru ho and nti ye develop manuals we say enne se teacher ni trade no so books ni nyina mu a obetumi atrade adesua ni so mu a o so betumi esua
and say be ban
ntwe no so mu assessment no so no a different thing first kan no na you say why na who yesu do ha e be say who sebe se o pesa o ka kire me se obi a otu America obi di first yen kan say how many minutes na obetimi atu an obi no nemum e de be niema na wo be ya obetimi adi first ɛsesan wom nti assessment no so sesan wom apart from saa no kra no yɛhwɛ sɛ classroom so yɛyɛ assessment wɔ hɔ nti yɛkyɛ ade no wie nti kyɛnkyɛ ade no obetumi ayɛ assessment no hɔ ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛbɛtwɛn na yɛakɔyɛ no end of the semester no nko a ɔyɛ nyina akɔla bi wɔ hɔ a sɛbi wowie na wo assess na obɛhunu adeɛ no wokyerɛ no wo sɛ wɔmfa ne nsa nyɛ a ɔbɛyɛ hands on.
Abuzanti weye eye Professor Edward Apiana yetene ka chechefo no binom a sadwumadi omo kwase omo soso no esi bibi de kire
ye de kwakire nkwala na de omu sese adesua na omu sua no enye de ode kwakire so hwe nkwa na emum kura no owie school na chi a de ode ebebo no ankasa ne bra nti na nei ube ha wo so owie school abaya mfa madwuma nti ni kura mini adwuma ye na emum santiti ye wei na ye teachafo ye na mu ye de akwakire nkwala na ma obawie school no kura no ntwe se aban na befa na adwuma na emum ono ankasa kura no based on ntitia a wonya ni nti no no so anya nsan dwuma bi a ode ebebo ne ho bra nti beboy critical thinking and reasoning area ebema Ghana no bi o mbeko school e wo Ghana hanko ade sabi o the problem o me bi so city o ebeboa yenene mala na e choma ni is a program with national hwemu ya my yen say career yen mala ande ko bobra so they no can chew and pour e kwa na treasures a refi teacher ni ko treasure ko trade a ni di nya so your better exams pass but we nem ko exams di ko ye de wusua onya bebi na o dey akobwa
Abuzanfo nti weye eye nakafo dwumadi a wo modi yemu nsem na chechefo no chechire mu de kire ne yegyina wo isu na no payem fansem ne nsia ne nsori ema ene ewuku ade de o ma hene ntrase ne frɛ ne kawasem ewo kawasem dwumadi eso ewo ade achie bia morning show so me de edina na ya bo amale bia boga no pay akosua so mo ne chinchin fidie ndi ma me ma mrante ne maba wana kabo ichidom ma ba bia wo bia no itibi ba ye eba besum mo no pay ya saso ama wa chie bia
21st clinic, yes, sciatica expert.